Hello guys, welcome to another video by Technical Mac. If you're new to this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications because we are coming up with regular giveaways as well as tips and tricks on Android as well as iOS platform. Now today I'm going to talk about an app called Air Transfer, using which you can transfer files from your PC to iPhone as well as from iPhone to PC as well wirelessly. So it's very easy to use, and at the same time you can transfer your files fast. You don't have to worry about connecting your phone to the PC or all the hassle involved in connecting using wires and stuff. So before you want to transfer the files, make sure that your iPhone or iPad is connected to the same network as your PC is connected, as in the same Wi-Fi network. So otherwise Air Transfer does not work. So once you're inside this app, just click on the Wi-Fi button and you will see that they have provided a URL that is 192.168, and make sure you copy this URL and type it onto your web browser. Now there is one thing to notice, however, that the file upload is limited in Internet Explorer, but I'm not actually sure whether anyone pretty much most of the people use Google Chrome nowadays, so that might not be a problem, or like any other kind of web browser. So just make sure that, and you just have to enter this URL in your web browser. Another thing to note is that they classify all the file types into different categories, like text memos or bookmarks, images, music, movies, documents. So according to the file that you get, it'll automatically be categorized. And in the settings, they also have an additional feature. You can unlock all the features, which is paid, of course. You need to pay 159 Indian money. So that's that. So once you're ready to import videos,
once you open the web browser, just type in the IP address that was shown in the app and you'll get a page like this. I'm just gonna delete the file that I'd sent earlier. So yeah, and once you look at the bottom left, you can see that there's an option called drop files here. That's where you need to drag and drop whichever file that you want to share. So just for demonstration purpose, I'll be just dragging and dropping Technical Mac's icon. So once you drop it there, you can see that now it's visible.
so when you actually drop it onto the folder in your PC, you can see that the file has appeared in your phone as well. Like in the all category, you can see that the image has reached. So like I said earlier, it has classified it into the image section. When you click on the image, you can see that the image is there. So how do you download this? That would be the next step, right? So you just have to click on it and you can select it and you can save it to your gallery, as simple as that.
Like I mentioned earlier, any type of file you can share, be it image file or video file, it doesn't really matter. So you just have to drag and drop it and it will automatically reflect in your phone as well, and you just have to save it from your phone. Now this works vice versa as well. You can transfer files from your iPhone to your PC as well. It's not just a one-way method. And once you're done transferring all the files, you can actually delete all the files that are present. Just you need to click which all files you want to delete, and there's an option to delete as well. That's all for the video. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and also do subscribe to our channel. We're just starting out and your support is highly valuable for us. Stay safe, guys.